Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Are you struggling with that stubborn lower belly fat and want to lose it quickly? Well, you're in the right place. Today I'm breaking down the best diet and exercise solutions to help you get that flat stomach you've always dreamed of. We'll cover everything from what to eat to the most effective workouts. First up, let's talk diet. What you eat plays a crucial role in your fitness journey. One of the biggest keys to losing lower belly fat is creating a calorie deficit. This means consuming fewer calories than your body needs to maintain its current weight. To achieve this, you need to burn more calories than you consume. This can be done through a combination of diet and exercise. Start by cutting down on sugary drinks, refined carbs, and processed foods. These are often high in empty calories and can contribute to weight gain. Instead, focus on whole foods like lean proteins, veggies, fruits, and healthy fats. These foods are nutrient-dense and can help you feel full longer. Trust me, this change in your diet makes a huge difference. You'll not only lose weight but also feel more energetic and healthier overall. Now let's move. Physical activity is essential for burning calories and toning your body. To target lower belly fat, you need a combination of cardio, strength training, and core exercises. Each type of exercise plays a unique role in your fitness journey. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is incredibly effective. These workouts involve short bursts of intense exercise followed by rest periods. These short bursts of intense exercise followed by rest periods keep your heart rate up and torch calories. HIIT workouts are great for burning fat in a short amount of time. For strength training, don't skip on the compound moves. These exercises work multiple muscle groups at once. Think squats, deadlifts, and lunges. These exercises are highly effective for building muscle and boosting your metabolism. These exercises engage multiple muscle groups and boost your metabolism, helping you burn more calories even at rest. And of course, we can't forget core exercises. These are essential for strengthening your abdominal muscles. Planks, leg raises, and Russian twists are fantastic for working those lower abs. Remember, consistency is key. Doing these exercises regularly will yield the best results. Okay, let's put it all together in a quick sample workout you can try. This routine combines cardio, strength, and core exercises. Start with a 10-minute warm-up, maybe a light jog or jumping jacks. Warming up prepares your body for the workout ahead. Next, dive into a 20-minute HIIT session. This will get your heart rate up and burn a lot of calories in a short amount of time. Try 30 seconds of burpees followed by 30 seconds of rest. Repeat for 10 rounds. This will challenge your endurance and strength. Then move to strength training. This is where you'll build muscle and increase your metabolism. Do 3 sets of 12 reps of squats, deadlifts, and lunges. These exercises will target your lower body and core. Finally, finish strong with core work. This will help tone your abdominal muscles. Hold a plank for 1 minute, do 15 leg raises and 20 Russian twists on each side. These exercises will target your lower abs and obliques. Remember to cool down and stretch after your workout. This helps prevent injuries and aids in recovery. Stretching keeps you flexible and can help reduce muscle soreness. It's an important part of any workout routine. So there you have it. A comprehensive plan to lose lower belly fat. Combine a healthy diet with a balanced exercise routine, and you'll be well on your way to losing that lower belly fat. It's all about consistency and making healthy choices. Stay committed, be patient, and celebrate your progress along the way. Every small step counts. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fitness content. Your support means a lot. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Keep pushing towards your goals and stay motivated.